Hey friends, if you wish to buy a Windows license or Windows 11 license which is legit, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, why do we even need to create this video? So let us search for Windows 11 license buy on Google, and you'll get a lot of these options which are all fake, which are not what do we say, genuine licenses. They are as cheap as $4, and basically the person who has it got it for free. So these licenses may or may not work. They may be what do we say, fake, and even if they work, they may be a part of what do we say, those volume licensing services. So I will suggest against buying these. I'll tell you a better idea to check for it. Don't use Google, use Bing, bing.com, and in Bing, search for buy Windows 11. Okay, and ignore this first option, which is a sponsored ad by Amazon, because you should not be buying it on Amazon. They give a discounted license there, but it doesn't work in many cases. I have seen the reviews. Straight away go to this option at microsoft.com to buy Windows 11. The option should be in microsoft.com and nowhere else. Okay, and this is from where you can buy this Windows 11 software. Click on add to cart and you can log in using your ID and purchase it. Okay, I mean, I don't want to use my credit card here, but you can click on that checkout option to buy it, right? This is how you can buy the genuine license. Now, this is one way. The second is that if you are part of an organization and you are getting those volume licensing licenses, then that is something that your organization is giving you, so you are not buying that one. And the third one is the ones which have OEM keys. So when you buy a laptop, these laptops originally have the Windows 11 software, the operating system, installed inside them, and that will save you from a lot of hassle, but they are limited to that system only. You cannot use that key on a different system if you decide to change the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.